Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can receive money on your PayPal account. So there are many methods that you can use in order to receive the money into your PayPal account directly. So the first method is if the other user that is sending you money has a PayPal account, he just need to go for the send money button. If you can't find, he just need to go for pay and get paid section and go for the send money button. Once he is there, you just need to enter your particular name, username, email address, or mobile number. Now make sure to give the other person your correct name or username, or if you want to go with the accurate one, make sure to give him your email or mobile number. The next step is you can request money. So you just need to tap on the request button, and now we have two options: create an invoice. Now this is a bit like a business thing. If you don't want it, you want only personal use, you just need to go for share your personal profile. Tap on this, and now this will take you to this particular page, which will look like this, where you can have your paypal.me link. Now what this will do, whenever the person will click on your particular paypal.me link, he will be able to send you money directly to your PayPal account without entering your mobile number, email address. So this is very useful. If you haven't set up it, you just need to enter your username and your location and your about you page. Once you do so, you'll be able to copy your profile link. Once you do so, you just need to give it to the other person, and he will be able to send you money directly. So that's the whole process of how you can receive money on your PayPal account.